Hey guys, welcome back to Easel Does It Studio. Today is just going to be a Temu unboxing. I'm going to show you what I got, and I'm going to show you, if you didn't see the video before this, you might want to check it out. This is a mix to mold container that I made, and I show you how I colored this. So the one thing that I did learn is to do bigger gobs of color. It gives you a better look. This one's a little bit busy, but yeah, so if you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. It is the one right before this, and this was my test piece. So yeah. So I just wanted to show you that. So I've got 2 packages. And I actually printed out my my order thingy so I could give you guys the price, because this one here, I know most of you that buy off Temu, but every now and then you'll get a thing where you get like so many products free. Well, I ended up getting 4 products free, and then I got like 75% off 3 items. So this is the one. So I ended up getting some more of these mixing cups that have the different, like the 2-to-1, the 3-to-1, 1-to-1, because I struggle with math in doing that. So those just help me when I'm using my deep pour resin. So I ended up, this was one of my free items. I was really disappointed in this one because I thought it said a 20-inch, a 14, and then another. But it must have been centimeters and not inches. So I got these 3 trays, which is fine because I can use them for bases or whatever. So, I mean, they're still going to come in handy, and they were free, so whatever. And let me just pull out my other free parts to this. So this one here, we're going to be doing fairly quick. So do you remember the 3-tier tray that I had made and it came in damaged? Well, this is a 2-tier one, and this one here, it was $9.85 for the 2 pieces. But I like the way this one is constructed, because this one here, it's like flower petals, and they twist up. So you have the bottom tray and then the top tray. So I'm not going to end up having that same issue that I did with the other one, because I'm going to pour it like this and like this, and it's got all these supports. So we're definitely going to be making this like right off coming up. So that one, I paid $9.85 for that one. And then I got this, a really cute, it is a carousel little pot, like a little trinket dish. So it's got the horses all the way around with like some etching here. It's got the poles for like where the horse would be. And then there's all kinds of fancy etching on the bottom. And then you have your top, which is pretty fancy. So I'm going to do this in resin, and I'm also going to do this in some Mix-A-Mold. So it's, going to be a decent size. It takes up more than the middle of my hand. Sorry about my hands. I know they're gross, but I just finished up a previous video where I was using the alcohol inks, and I washed my hands, but they're stained. Because I didn't wear a pair of gloves. All right, so the round things. I got this necklace for free. It is a 0.925 sterling silver chain, and it's a snake chain. So I'm excited about that because all I wear is stainless sterling silver. So that I got for free. This I got for free. The 3 round molds I got for free. Oh, and the cups. These cups I got for free. That was the 4th item. So I got the cups, the carousel, the necklace, and these 3 pieces for free on this order. And then I've been looking at this on Amazon for a while. And then when I finally decided to buy it, it was out of stock. So I ended up buying one. Well, I thought one through Temu. And I also have one in my next order. So I got 2 of them. But it is the little snowman. So you get the 2 snowmen that sit here. And then you have your little campfire thing in the middle. So I can't wait to do this. This is going to be so cute. And it's not Christmassy, it's winter. So then we still have a few months, to be able to enjoy that. And that one was $14.83. And this one here, and I already pulled it out to just look at it because my daughter was here and she wanted to see these little puppies. So there's 8 little puppy molds. So now I'll have a whole bunch of little things, like when I have just an ounce of resin left or something like that. So there is a Frenchie, like a shepherd. I think, yeah, there's 8 different ones. And that was $14.52. So some of them are smaller than others. This is the little French Bulldog, I believe. So these are going to be fun to do. So I could always throw 1 or 2 of these in every time I'm doing, a resin. Okay, so I'm going to put all this back. That was the first order that I got. So I'm just going to put these back in this bag just so that I know where everything is. Because I got to find a spot for all this now. All right, I'm going to leave my cups out because they are going to go with all my other cups. So I'm just going to, and then this is the second package. So on this one, I didn't get any free items. But I got some really cool ones, and they were a lot less. So, the spoons that I've been making? Look at this massive one. This was way, way bigger than I thought it was going to be. Look at the size of this. I mean, it fit in both my hands together like this. That's how big this is. It's huge. So yeah, I'm wondering if this is going to be as difficult Maybe not because, oh, look at that. That opens right up. So this is going to be a lot easier to demold. And this one was only $6.99. So that's going to be cool. And then this is my other little snowman with the campfire. So I'm not going to bother to open that. This I cannot wait to do. So I bought this to make a candle jar, but you can definitely do this in resin as well. So it says Light of Hope on the top, and it's got a lot of like intricate detail in the top here. So that's the cover. But look at this candle jar. It is all angels all the way around it. So we are definitely going to be making a mix to mold candle jar out of this for sure. So this one here was $5.92. So I didn't think that was bad at all for that jar. I'm hoping it holds its shape. And I got another thing of the cement powder in black because, you know, I do a lot of black and white. So I figured I would try one of theirs and see how it works. Oh, wait until you see these last two. Let me open this up. The only difference, which it doesn't really matter because I bought extras, but do you remember my Octagon candle holder? Well, not candle holder, but it's like an oil burner. This is a square one. So the tea light goes in the bottom here, and then your little stainless steel jar thing container goes on the top, like this. So this will set like that. You put your essential oil or a wax melt. You put your tea light in here, and it is a square one. I'm thinking it's a little bit smaller than the Octagon because obviously it's square and doesn't have so many sides. So I ended up getting that. I've been looking at these on Amazon, and they're like, I think 14 something a piece. And I got these on Temu, and I paid $8.64. So that was a good deal. And then so now I have all three of them. This is the arched one. And this one is a little bit different setup. So this one here is an arched one, and this slides in here. There's two little like grooves, so this will slide in there and it will burn like that. So I can't wait to make these. And again, these are going to demold really easy because, you know, it's just a one shape with just these two little bracket things. So I will bring these up. I will like get everything pre-measured, especially this, because I have no clue, because I don't even know like how deep this is gonna be. But yeah. So we will be having some definite mix to mold coming up, and I will probably be doing the alcohol ink on some of these. So yeah, so that is what I got from Temu. And then I had ordered, this came in the other day, these are all finishing tips for my Dremel. So the white ones are like the buffing ones. They're a really like a soft material. That's the, you know, the fine. So each one is a different grit. But I like the fact that they have the different shapes. You know, like they have like the little pointy ones, but then they also have the little, so if you're trying to, like around the lids, when I'm doing my lids, you know, when they don't come out right, this shape is going to be perfect to go around the edges. So I was like, this is what I wanted when I had sent my husband to get me some polishing bits, but he ended up getting me a kit because that's all they had. So I ordered all the bits. So now I have all of them. And I also bought another axolotl mold from Let's Resin. So now I'm going to have 2 axolotls. Yeah. So that is my haul that I've been waiting so desperately for. Especially these 4 pieces. I'm like, I can't wait to do those. So I'm just going to put them in the bag for now. And so I'm going to try and get a couple videos ahead so that I will have them to go right through Christmas. This video should be out, let me see, Sunday night. So this will be out on Sunday. So hopefully tomorrow I can get Mondays and Tuesdays done. And then I can take Sunday and Monday and Tuesday off and just kind of spend it with family and kind of, you know, take a little break. And then on Christmas, usually it's just our immediate family, and we just do like a big dinner, and we don't do much. So I will be probably crafting on Christmas Day. So hopefully you won't skip a day without a video. Alrighty, guys, I am going to go ahead and try and scrub my hands some more and see if I can get some of the ink off. And I will see you guys all on the next video. Have a great night, guys. Bye.